In this video, we are testing a complicated 8-channel CNC controller by Yaskawa, which is used in a variety of industries. This one coming from a semiconductor facility. To fully validate our repairs of this series of controllers, we built a custom interface, which allows us to check each axis with one of our test motor/drive pairs. As you can see in the video, we attach the pair to a channel, and then using the custom interface, we program the CNC controller we repaired to run a sequence of commands for that motor axis. At ERD, we routinely develop test systems, which help us fully test electronic units after we've repaired and refurbished them. The main challenge in the type of service we perform is verifying we've repaired an item, which is where we have excelled since 1995.